Hello YouTube, how are you? I'm fine. My name is Akshalawat and today I'm going to be showing you code.org. So in the last video we completed the whole Minecraft Education editions, all of the demo lessons. So the lesson for social justice does not have any certificate required, so that's it. Just choose English. Okay, so in today we are going to be using AI for oceans grades 3. I know I'm in 5, but let it be. I don't care, just don't care about that. Okay, so this browser that I'm using today is going to be it is going to be AI. Wait. I forgot what to say. Okay. Today we are going to be doing a artificial intelligence for oceans. And oh my god, look, that looks sick. Okay, I will do that. Okay, so you just need to click on these buttons. The AI will scan it. So, fish, this is a fish. This is a sock. Just click not fish. You need to make a code.org account or just do it for free. A trash can. This is a fish. I just didn't know what was code.org. Oh god, we have to be careful. We don't need to go faster. Okay, then it will ask you to continue. No, it goes never ending. It's never ending. Just click continue when you want to. But look, we need to teach AI more and more, or artificial intelligence. You know what you're thinking? Yes, it's going to be personalized technology. That's fake. They don't know anything. Also, we're going. What? What just happened? No, it's a fish. I just literally throw a fish as not fish. He died. Sorry, bro. Just now, it's time to click continue. Yes. Oh my god! That's a trash! That's trash. That's not possible. Oh my god! Why are you doing this? AI. I will have to teach it him again. We need to train more. Okay. Only one thing is there, this guy. Let's see how much he identified as not fish. Oh my god, look. Just we need to train more. Just train him, nothing else. He needs to just recognize objects better. Just click continue for now. Yes. Wait. You're wrong. You're putting... Well, don't worry. Yes, right. Why would you put these guys in the dustbin? Why would you? Just forget this. Let's just continue. Yes. What? Did you notice? No, did you notice that artificial AI identifies some sea creatures as not fish? They're not fish. They're something different, but they still belong to water. AI only learns what we teach it. Never think AI will do on its own. So it should not be water. This. No. Please don't do this faster. Do it safe and sound. Please never do a mistake here. We don't need it. No. Yes. No. What is this? Oh, that's poop. But I think that's shark poop. Let it be. I'm big. I will have to learn everything. From geography. Who wants to learn geography? Yes, a turtle too. Let's go. Let's hit continue. Oh, apple is there. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God! Thank God. Oh, I didn't do anything wrong. Oh. Should we train more? Well, let it be. Okay. Hit train more if you want to train more. Now let's go to continue. Let's let it be. AI is not that smart. You need to watch these videos only if you want to. Otherwise, hit continue. I agree. Okay, so we are going to be teaching shapes, colors and everything. Let me teach blue. Is this blue? Nah, not blue. Not blue, not blue, not blue. My God, blue fish should appear. That's purple. Yeah. This. I'm not ready. watching everything. This is satisfying. Let's see, our AI is powerful enough right now. Let's check. Yes, that's what you get. Yes, bro. I'm so happy that AI is so powerful. Oh my god, he only detected blue. This is blue fish, and these are not. Just remember the colors. Just train more if you want to. Otherwise, just click continue. Continue that row. Now, what do we need to do last? Yeah, new words. Can we take silly? Yeah, silly. Not silly. No. Not silly. This is not silly. No, that's scary. Yeah, angry. Silly. Bleh. Look at that. Today in the Zoom meeting we met one person. I will share you the link of his channel. You know, the first Indian in the whole India who went to South Africa by sailboat. He went to Bermuda Triangle and literally I asked questions to him. Oh my god, he is literally right now, I guess 82 years old. He will go in any journey. He said that just forget about this. Bermuda Triangle is not scary at all. Just go, it's beautiful. These books and also videos are fake. We're done. Let's get out of this hell. Brasilia. Yes, let's check. The sillyfish should come here. Where's going to be a sillyfish? A sillyfish should appear right here. I'm recording this. Comment down below the best recording software. I can buy it, but any free one or in that much or any premium one. Please tell me. I have a problem with FPS in the literal OBS studio. Which recording software should I use? Continue. Oh my god, most of them are silly. Yes, why are you pulling your tongue out? That's silly. Yep, Done. Finish. Voila, there's a certificate. Write your name now and hit submit. Yes. So, thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below that this video is great. Share this video to everyone. I want views. I'm not like greedy for views. That one day in the world there's going to be View Burger and instant McDonald's, there's going to be View Donald's, everything is going to be views. I'm just teaching you. I don't need views at all, but no, it's required. Wait, I'm not teaching you. I'm just showing you so that you understand. This is Learn with Daksh, of course, my channel. Write your name. Just type your name here. It will redirect you to this page. I'm going to be sharing you the link of that. Not this site. The link of what? Just search AI for oceans, hour of code. Just click this, copy. Or rather go to this site. So, bye bye. Again, like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Then have a nice day. Bye.